Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to carry on with Thompson Part 3. We have to play and explain a little bit of reg on page 39 of obviously John Thompson's Easy Piano Course Part 3. This one is another very recreational piece, even if it's not mentioned in the book. I should say that you are developing even more the syncopation. You see, when you have a minim or half note in between two crotchets or two quarter notes, it is obvious that this is a syncopation, and the ragtime obviously uses pretty much a syncopation. There are three positions in the right hand. This is the first, A, C. The other one is this one, that is the old Thompson Part 1 position, E, G. You see? And then you go back to the first one, you keep going on, you simply shift a little bit the thumb to play the E here, quite easy. So from the thumb here on the F, you move it to the E, back to the first position, back to the second position. This is the third position of the piece, where you have to move the fourth to the C. You have to stretch a little bit the thumb to reach the F here, but then you stretch out the little finger to reach the high F at the end. The left hand is keeping the same identical position from the beginning up to the end, with a natural sign. Even though it seems to be obvious, many times I notice that it's better to repeat and to clarify that this is a staccato chord, this is a staccato chord, staccato, 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 staccato. You see that the left hand is playing constantly staccato except here, where there is a very interesting slur connecting this minim or half note to this crotchet staccato. Obviously also these two right hand notes have to be played staccato. These two plus this one, the last one, are the only three notes of the right hand that have to be played staccato. Remember the crescendo. Crescendo means getting louder. Here as well. This is a fortissimo, very loud, fortissimo. And that's all. Let's play first of all at high speed. And this is a little bit of rag played fast. So since I've already explained which ones could be the small technical problems of the piece, I can play slowly. We are in F major, yeah? We have the B flat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and and 4 and it is obvious that these big changes of end position, especially because we should try to play fast, allegro animato is anyways a fast tempo, could definitely be mastered obviously studying the big changes of end position. So after you've played the F, try to prepare and then connecting very well the last note of this block and the first of this one. Same story to go back from the A to jump to the C. So you are on the C. This one shouldn't be a big problem. Could be maybe a little bit more a problem this one. So none of them at this stage should be a problem for you. You should be able now to fly on the keyboard, to jump from left to right with no problems at all. Anyways, in case of need, you can definitely master the big moves in the way that I've already suggested you in the past in many of the pieces, where I was suggesting you technical exercises. But here, I'm repeating that you can simply study how to move from here to here, doing that simple basic exercise, okay? I don't think that there is anything else that should be mentioned. I hope you're enjoying these videos, that you're enjoying the method itself. We are almost at the end. Now obviously, instead of going on, the next lesson will be about Etude in B flat, and then obviously I will play all of them one by one, the remaining ones. Anyways, if you have any question, obviously feel free to comment. Tell me how things are going. If it's the first time you're landing on this channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best!